As per the Human Development Index given by UNDP, which of the SAARC, arranging the SAARC countries in the order of higher to lower development. Higher to lower means higher development means higher Human Development Index. Okay. So here, if you see the explanation, so the rank, region, country, human development value. So 77th position with 0.078, that is Sri Lanka tops, Maldives 0.719, India 0.647, Bhutan 0.617. So these are the ranks actually based on Human Development Index. So here answer is first is Maldives, next is Sri Lanka, next is India. So Maldives, Sri Lanka, India and Bhutan. So option C is the right answer. So Human Development Index and the comparisons, actually we should know basic information about, especially about the SAARC countries, okay, which are forward, which are back, which are something like that. Even Nepal is also doing better actually. So that like that you should know about these things, okay. So it asked about various political movements and location where that political movements happened. So one is about Velvet Revolution, next is about Pink Tide, another is Solidarity Movement. Okay, so let us see this explanation. So the Velvet Revolution, also known as Gentle Revolution, was a non-violent transition power in Czechoslovakia. So the then Czechoslovakia, occurring from 17th November to 20th December in the year 1989. That is at the time of this collapse of Soviet bloc. Okay. So it is, what is this about? Popular demonstrations against the one-party government of the Communist Party of Czechoslovakia included students and older dissidents. So this was followed by the collapse of the communist government there and establishment of democratic regime kind of thing. So Velvet Revolution took place in Czechoslovakia, which is the right thing. Next, Pink Tide. Pink Tide are also known as the turn to the left. So it is towards left, pro-leftist actually. It is the revolutionary wave and perception of a turn towards left-wing governments in Latin American democracies, straying away from the neoliberal economic model. So against the neoliberal economic model, it is like left-wing governments. So this is happened in this Latin American democracies. So which is also true. Next is Solidarity Movement. So this Solidarity Movement is a trade union movement actually, founded in August to September 1980 at the Lenin shipyard in Gdansk, Poland. So in the country Poland. Subsequently, it was first independent union in a Warsaw Pact, that is in a Soviet bloc. So in the Soviet bloc, it was the first independent union actually. So it was a political labor union actually turned into political thing. So which actually eventually country to be recognized by the state. Actually what happened was, under this Lenin shipyard, actually this movement turns into a political movement where this resulted in collapse of the communist government and establishment of democratic regime in Poland also. Okay, so that is the thing. And solidarity movement which happened in Poland is also the given thing, is the right thing. So all above things are right, and the answer is option D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct.